Imagine if the secret to feeling younger, sharper, and healthier wasn't in a supplement, a surgery, or a trendy detox but in the foods you eat every day. That secret is the anti-inflammatory diet, a science-backed approach that is transforming the health of thousands around the world. In today's video, you're going to discover how this diet works, why inflammation is quietly sabotaging your body, and how changing your plate could literally add years to your life. Stay with us until the end, because the most surprising food that supercharges your anti-inflammatory response may already be in your kitchen. Let's start with the problem. Chronic inflammation. Unlike acute inflammation, which is your body's natural response to injury or infection, chronic inflammation is a silent killer. It doesn't hurt at first, but over time, it damages your cells, accelerates aging, and increases the risk of heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and even cognitive decline. Research from institutions like Harvard and Mayo Clinic shows that the majority of age-related diseases are fueled by low-grade inflammation. And here's the shocking part. Your everyday diet may be either feeding or fighting this inflammation. The anti-inflammatory diet is not a restrictive diet. It's a strategic way of eating that calms your immune system while providing your body with powerful nutrients for repair and protection. Think of it as a roadmap for longevity, energy, and mental clarity. Central to this diet are whole unprocessed foods, rich in antioxidants, polyphenols, and omega-3 fatty acids. Vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, fatty fish, olive oil, and spices like turmeric and ginger are your allies. Meanwhile, sugar, refined carbs, processed meats, and trans fats are your enemies, accelerators of inflammation that slowly wear down your body's defenses. One of the most fascinating aspects of this diet is how quickly it can affect your health. Clinical studies show that switching to an anti-inflammatory eating pattern can reduce markers of inflammation in the blood within weeks, improve insulin sensitivity, and even lower blood pressure. People report feeling lighter, more energetic, and focused within days. Imagine waking up every morning without the fog, bloating, or fatigue that many take for granted. That's the transformative power of eating to fight inflammation. But what makes this diet truly revolutionary is not just the individual foods, it's the synergy between them. For example, pairing turmeric with black pepper dramatically increases curcumin absorption, amplifying its anti-inflammatory effects. Eating fatty fish like salmon alongside antioxidant-rich vegetables supports cell membrane health and reduces oxidative stress. Even small choices, like swapping refined oils for extra virgin olive oil, can tip the balance in your body from inflammation to regeneration. The diet is a toolbox, and learning the combinations is key to unlocking its full potential. Let's break it down further. Breakfast might be a smoothie with spinach, berries, chia seeds, and a spoonful of flaxseed, all rich in polyphenols and omega-3s. Lunch could be a colorful salad with leafy greens, quinoa, walnuts, and olive oil, while dinner emphasizes fatty fish, roasted vegetables, and herbs like rosemary and thyme. Snacks include nuts, fresh fruit, or dark chocolate with over 70% cocoa. Hydration is also part of the plan. Green tea or herbal infusions not only provide fluids, but also contain compounds that reduce inflammatory pathways in the body. Now, here's something few people know. This diet doesn't just protect the body, it protects the brain. Chronic inflammation is strongly linked to cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Foods rich in antioxidants and omega-3 not only fight systemic inflammation, but also improve brain plasticity, memory, and mood. Studies in neurology and frontiers in aging neuroscience suggest that people adhering to anti-inflammatory diets show slower cognitive decline and reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases. That means what you eat today can affect how sharp you are decades from now. Another powerful aspect is weight management. Inflammation drives insulin resistance and fat storage, particularly around the abdomen. By reducing inflammatory foods and emphasizing nutrient-dense whole foods, the body's metabolism resets. Insulin sensitivity improves, energy stabilizes, and cravings diminish. Unlike fad diets that focus solely on calories or macronutrients, the anti-inflammatory diet targets the root causes of metabolic dysfunction, offering sustainable results that last a lifetime. But here's the catch. Many people start this diet and give up too soon. Why? Because modern life is full of inflammatory temptations. Fast foods, sugary drinks, late-night snacks, they all constantly trigger your body's inflammatory response. The secret to success is planning, preparation, and awareness. Batch cooking, vegetables, keeping anti-inflammatory snacks on hand, and experimenting with flavorful herbs and spices make the transition enjoyable rather than restrictive. It's not about perfection, it's about consistent choices that nudge your body toward healing. We also can't ignore the role of lifestyle alongside the diet. Adequate sleep, stress management, and daily movement amplify the anti-inflammatory effects of food. Studies show that exercise reduces inflammatory markers, while chronic stress and poor sleep fuel them. Think of the diet as the foundation and lifestyle habits as the pillars together. They create a robust environment for longevity. So, what should you do tomorrow? Start small. Replace sugary drinks with water or green tea. Add 1 extra serving of vegetables to your lunch. Include nuts or seeds as snacks. Sprinkle turmeric or ginger into your meals. Each choice compounds over time, and before you know it, your body begins to respond with less inflammation, more energy, and improved well-being. Thousands of people around the world report life-changing results from following these principles, not only living longer, but living better. If you want to maximize the impact, consider pairing this diet with intermittent fasting or time-restricted eating. Research suggests that fasting plus an anti-inflammatory diet creates a synergy that further reduces inflammation, boosts cellular repair through autophagy, and promotes longevity. Essentially, you're giving your body both the fuel and the space to heal. In conclusion, the anti-inflammatory diet is far more than a trend. It's a science-backed blueprint for health and longevity. By understanding how your body responds to different foods, you can reduce chronic inflammation, protect your heart and brain, improve metabolism, and potentially add years of high-quality life. The journey starts on your plate and is reinforced with mindful lifestyle choices. If you found this video enlightening, make sure to subscribe to Unlimited Longevity for more research-based strategies to live longer, stronger, and healthier. And comment below, which anti-inflammatory food are you adding to your daily routine starting tomorrow? Because the truth is simple. Long life and vibrant health don't happen by accident, they happen by design.